everybody, it's JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, please hit a like, please enjoy what I do here with my watches. So today I've received a very small pocket watch. This is a very small, I would say this is a size 0 Waltham, and it is in average condition. I say the lid spring's a little bit loose on it, but there's likely nothing I can do about that. It does have a little bit of spring in this condition here, but not once it gets past here. It's just an old watch, right? So push the button in when you close the lid. There we go. In the back of it here, there is an old movement in here. The old movement. And here it is here. See if I get my thumbnail under here. Should I do that? Yeah. The thumbnail works pretty good, actually. It looks as though the balance is okay, which is nice. So I think the problem here is just needs to be stripped down, cleaned, and maybe the mainspring is not in good condition or whatever. So this very nice lady dropped it off, and she said this was her grandmother's or her mother's watch, I think. Mother's or grandmother's watch. I can't remember which one it was, but I will be repairing this watch, and it's got it's pretty old, and there's a serial number on just above the ratchet wheel. And I'm going to look that serial number up here and see what vintage this thing is. Let's have a look. And a shout out to you fellow watchmakers out there. Tiger Woods is playing in the Masters. He has made the cut again. This is amazing. So I'll be watching that tomorrow, hopefully. And I get a kid's birthday tomorrow, and he's getting old. So the baby is 37. Is turning 37. That's the baby. So I'm going to look at this movement here and see if I can check out that serial number and look at what the data says on this thing. So as well, my wife got me a brand new big comfy blanket from Facebook Marketplace for nothing. It's all these ladies trade stuff back and forth. Free blanket. It's way too comfy. I may end up falling asleep in the big chair. Anyway, let's get back to you in a second here. 191-96367. Remember that number. Alrighty then. This looks like it's a grade 163 Waltham. It is 191-96367. Model 1907. It was produced in 1913. Holy crap, that was a long time ago. 1913. And this quantity run of this batch was 1,000. It was 16 of 17 grade runs, so they only made 17 grade runs. Total production 17,700, and it is a size 0, just like I said. It says 13 joules here in the data, but if you look up in the diagram or the drawing of the movement, it says 15 joules. But I think it is 13 joules because it looks like the 1, 2, 3 doesn't. It looks like the first 3 wheels have no joules, and then the fourth wheel does have a joule, and then the escapement wheel has a joule as well. So nothing special about it. I could try to see if I look up the value. It's probably not valued high, but this is a family heirloom from this woman who gave it to me this morning to have a look at. And again, here's a little close-up of this movement here. It's a fairly nice clean movement, but as you can see, the ratchet wheel is the first wheel it's above the mainspring barrel, so that's one wheel. Center wheel is number 2, and then the third wheel is the intermediate wheel, and it is not jeweled at all. So, and then the fourth wheel is the seconds hand, and it has a jewel, and the other wheel, which is the escapement wheel, has a jewel as well. So I'll be stripping this down perhaps tomorrow, not today. I've got other watches to get going with, and that is today's story. So it's a short little video. Anyway, beautiful little watch. Let's have a look at what the case type is. Let's look at the case type. I need to grow my fingernails longer so I can. Let me see. Can I get this out of the way? Yeah, it's got a nice little dust cover on it. Gold filled. Gold, Jerry. It's gold. It's a fortune case. So gold filled means it's just plated on both sides with gold, and it's compressed or pressed on. So I'll have to get some information on exactly how they did that, so I don't guess anymore. So it's a nice old watch. This size 0 watch would be typically be a nurse's watch or a lady's watch. So it's got some initials in the top, it looks like, or just decorations. I think those are letters, maybe. Let's say SMG or SMS. Yeah, that's another S. If that's the first one's an S, the last one's an S, and maybe the middle is an H or an M. SMS. SMS. That's it. So let's get on with other watch work. Thanks for watching this video. It's just a quick one today. So please subscribe. Please hit like. Please give me comments on how much you love working on size 0 pocket watches. Thanks again. JD, over and out.